Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock users on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you want to blocking someone on Discord, prevent them from sending you direct messages and also prevent you from saying messages they send instead of you shared. While this is a useful and important feature, there may come a time when you want to mend your relationship. In this case, you'll want to unblock them. So how to do it is so simple. On my previous video, I'll show you how to block someone, how to find the blocked user, and now how to unblock them. So you can go to the settings by tap on the profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the upper right corner on the settings on here. You can just go to content and social. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option block account. You can unblock the account by tap on unblock. So now you don't have any blocked user on your Discord and you can interact with that user again on Discord. It's so simple, right? So that is how to unblock users on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.